Hey everyone! Check out the KiNGKANG adjustable weight bench designed for quick folding and unfolding in just 1 second. This bench features a sturdy carbon steel frame that supports up to 800 pounds, ensuring durability and stability during your workouts. It offers 9 adjustable angles to customize your training and target different muscle groups effectively. The high-density rebound, memory foam cushion, and premium leather cover provide maximum comfort and reduce muscle fatigue. Thanks to its ergonomic design, this bench suits all ages and fitness levels for a full-body workout. When not in use, it folds easily to save space and fits conveniently in any corner. Plus, KiNGKANG offers a 365-day accessory replacement service for added peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.